Welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture data from gravity forms on your website into the LeadMaster CRM. Here's a gravity form. I've filled it out already. I'm going to click I'm not a robot and submit it. We get the thank you page, and now let's check the CRM. Here's our data. You'll notice that not only do I have the company and name and phone and email, but I've also assigned a campaign to it. I'll show you how you can do that. Navigate to LeadMaster.com. Under About Us, go to Support and choose the LeadMaster Help videos. Search for Gravity, and you'll see there is a link to a Gravity Forms plugin. Download this and install it as you normally would on your site. When you have it installed, you should see LeadMaster post gravity form to HTTP request. Make sure you've got it activated, and then go to your forms page. Create your form as you normally would by dragging fields out into the form area. You can include any of the standard form types. You can also include advanced fields, for example, the address field. In addition, you're going to need to have some hidden fields. These are for the security to get the data from the form into the CRM. You'll need a company ID, a username, and a password. These will be provided to you by your LeadMaster representative. Let's take a look at the instructions for posting data into LeadMaster. Navigate back to the LeadMaster website. Go to the About Us menu. Choose LeadMaster Partners and choose Lead and Lead Providers. Scroll down to the Integration Instructions button and click on it. This explains how we get data into the LeadMaster system. Notice you've got company ID, username, and password here. Again, these are going to be provided to you from your LeadMaster representative. Let's go back to Gravity Forms. So you've created the hidden fields. You're going to enter LP_company ID as the field label, and you're going to have a default value of the company ID that was given to you by your LeadMaster representative. The same is true for the username. The field label is LP_username, and the default value is the username given to you by your LeadMaster representative. And the same is true for the password. There are additional fields that you can add here. For example, I've added LP_campaign ID. Let's go back to our list of fields. Here are the additional fields that are available for you. I chose LP_campaign ID because I want everyone that fills out this form to be associated with the Google campaign. Once you've completed this, you're ready to map the rest of your fields into the CRM. To do that, go to the Settings menu, and if you've properly installed and activated the plugin, you should see a new menu here. HTTP request. Click on it. Start by entering the URL that you saw in the instructions. Right here. You can just copy and paste that. Next, make sure that you've set it up for a post request and that it's active. Then, what you're going to do is you're going to map by using the field names that you find in the instructions for every one of your fields. So for example, the company is LP_company. LP_company. You can even copy and paste that. Do the same for each of the fields and repeat the company ID, username, password, and any additional fields. Click Update on your form settings, and you're ready to go. This concludes the video on using Gravity Forms to send data to the LeadMaster CRM.